Hi, it's Dawn, and I just got back from a couple weeks in France. Started off in Paris, and then spent some time on the Rhone River. And of course, I had to find a art supply store. So this is the name of the store in Lyon. That was where we picked up a river cruise going down the Rhone River. And of course, it got just a beautiful little store. And I got some basics there, like I forgot to pack my sketchbook, so I picked up a sketchbook where I could do a little drawing while we were gone. And because sometimes there's just quiet moments and you just want to be able to, sketch. But then, so I had to pick up some pens, of course. Micron's my favorites, 5, 8, and 10. Those are the 3 sizes I use the most. Then they had these guys, too. These are by Signo, Uniball. And, of course, I always want a white. But then they had gold, and I had not seen that. And then this coppery, bronzy color, so I picked those up. These cute stamps, I just thought they were fun. I just like them for borders and, yeah. But the main, all right, and then this postcard, which I just love the graphic quality of that. And then these Christmas postcards, which I thought were just, well, that's not Christmas, that's just a just married. But it feels like Christmas, doesn't it? That one, obviously, and then a couple of Santa ones, very vintagey old world. And then I picked up this. This is a gift for a dear friend of mine, and I just loved that book. So that was in Lyon. And then at the end of our river cruise, we went to back to Paris for a couple of days before we came home. And of course, I knew I wanted to go. Oh, I didn't mention watercolors. I'll get to that here in a second. I knew I wanted to go to Sennelier right there. I think it's in the 6th arrondissement, and right there on the Seine. And boy, ran into some really neat ladies from North Carolina. I would love to say that I can remember their names, but I can't. Oh, no, I got this in Lyon also. No, didn't get this in Lyon. Where did I get this? Paper. This paper, I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Let me do the paper first. Got this paper in Vienne, no, Tournon, I don't remember. It was one of the little small towns along the way. And this is all handmade paper. And I got, I think, 10 sheets of it. Yeah. And I'm not going to unroll it, but it's the big 18 by 36 sheets. It's the rice paper that are printed. And they were like €5 a sheet. And if you buy these papers in the States, I know these can run upwards of, I don't know, $20 a sheet easily. So I picked up this nice assortment of, sorry, the light is flashing on that, but I picked up a little black on white, a solid red, a little green action. Anyway, love those. But then when we got back to Paris, so I found in Lyon these 3 Sennelier colors, blue indigo, or Aureline, I don't know how to say that word, and then green earth, or terre verte. By Sennelier. And I do not own any Sennelier watercolors. And I knew I wanted to get some in Paris, so when I stumbled on some in that one shop in Lyon, I grabbed some colors that just jumped out at me. But then when we got to Paris, when we went to the Sennelier shop, I got a few more. Okay, more than a few more. So I picked up Cad Yellow. This is bright yellow green. Vert turquoise, turquoise green, cobalt green. I picked up 2. This is a gift also. Phthalo blue, I believe. Yep, phthalo blue. Light yellow ochre. This one is phthalo turquoise. Rose opera, and same one, phthalo turquoise. So I got those 8 tubes to go with the other 3, and that'll be a project coming up soon to swatch those and just to kind of play around with them. Maybe do some abstract pieces. Then I picked up this paper. absolutely gorgeous. It's manufactured or whatever. It's made. It's handmade in India, but it's for Sennelier, and it is just, as you can see, gorgeous. Super, super thick, 100% cotton. Can't wait to try that. And then this was at the checkout stand, and I didn't go in there to buy this necessarily, but I thought it was a really cute little set, and I don't know if I'm going to keep it or give it as a gift, but it comes with 3 colors: olive green, Bordeaux, and gold. A little, yeah, fun little, by Hanamule. I think I'm saying that right. I also picked up another one of these guys. I believe this was, there's labels on the thing. I believe this is like an indigo. I'm really into an indigo era. And lastly, picked up some gold by Aqua Bronze. In the paint world, lastly. But not last, but not definitely not least, is I grabbed some brushes. Because if you know, you know. Brushes here can get a little pricey, but over there the Escodas were, I think, like 10 euros each. They were really affordable, which is about $12. I got these 3 bad boys. I got a cat's tongue in 2 sizes, and then a really tiny size 0 round. I love the Escoda Versatile. They're my favorite brush. Sorry, I'm out of frame. They're my favorite brush, so I picked those up. And then I've seen what people use Raphael, so I picked up a small set of Raphael just to give them a try. And it's a liner, an angle, and then a short round with a point. So that's yeah, so that's my haul from France, and pretty excited about trying out these new watercolors. Thinking about doing a new series on these, especially with these blues. I kind of went for the blues. That was my intention, was just to get blues, because I've got this idea, blues and gold, this blue and gold thing. I want to do a little I can't think of the word, like a folk art kind of piece, or series rather. And then I thought the gold pen might work well with that, and sometimes bronze looks really good with that too. So that's that. So hope you're doing well, and thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon.